It's beautiful because this comes with a plug-and-play kit, so I have to do zero splicing. This huge, awesome Android deck works perfectly and fits perfectly in the Subaru WRX and STi 2015 and up, but the wiring harness they give you is for a base model, not a limited model. So if you have the Harman Kardon surround sound system, it does not work in your WRX or STi 2015 and up. What I'm going to do is get new door speakers, amplifier, and subwoofer, and then tap into these wires in this wiring harness, and hopefully it works. Because the power and everything else works, but it just the sound doesn't go to the speakers. So it really sucks, but I'm going to hold out on putting this in my car until I can get the full system. But yeah, I still have all the footage of taking it out so you guys can see how to take out the stock original deck, and then I didn't put it all the way back in because there's no point because it doesn't fit right. But you guys can see if you can get it out. It's really easy to put back in, so hope you guys enjoy the video. Later. What up guys, welcome to another video. Today Trevor is helping me film again, so shout out to Trevor, follow him on Instagram. But let's get right into it. We are installing an awesome Android deck that Seicane, I don't know how to say it, it's in the title. They sent me an awesome deck with Android. We can install Waze, Spotify, all that, so I don't have to use my phone as much, and it looks really, really cool. So let's go ahead and open it. So the awesome thing about these is they come with like the whole dash assembly basically for car specific models. They also sell models that are just the deck, but for the WRX, luckily enough, it's a direct fit. I'm worried because I heard you have to have the 2016 air vents to make it fit perfect, but we can make this 15 work. I'm gonna replace that later, but that's a minor detail. Yeah, this thing is awesome, it's huge. Some sort of mounting bracket, GPS antenna, which I'll leave in the dash, and then wiring harnesses. It's beautiful because this comes with a plug-and-play kit, so I have to do zero splicing, and my steering wheel control is supposed to work. So if you guys want to order one of these, the link's below. Go to the website on the screen. First things first, I have a little plastic pry tool that I'm going to stick underneath this dash piece right here, very carefully without scratching it. Gotta get under there. These are never fun to work on. And then just kind of listen for these gross noises. Okay, there we go. Pull, pull, pull. Very gently. Awesome. So up here, it's gonna be hard to show on camera, but we're gonna disconnect this hazard button. See if I can feel the clip.
Found out in here, there's actually, it's way hard to get on top of that clip where you need to get the other piece off. There's two Phillips, you can see Phillips screws that we're gonna detach this section from the vents.
Stubby screwdriver is necessary for this guy. But yeah, like Trevor said, it's these two screws that hold the vents to the middle of the dash. That's carbon fiber. When we separate them, we'll be able to get to it much easier because we don't want to snap any of those. To make it easier, when it's sitting in there like this, there's two plugs right here and right here. But if you think about it, when the cord is still plugged in, when it's up here like that, all you got to do is just kind of barely, like, comfortably push that through. Sounds gross, but it's just this plastic. And just... this one doesn't want to go as easily. Same thing. These are your buttons. And then next out of this, we got to take the air vents out. So I'm definitely going to get a flathead screwdriver because there's these little clips right here and two more over there. Let's stick this under here. When you're trying to push this air vent out of here, all you got to do is when you're looking at these tabs, pry them open, but push on the back side on the vents themselves, push them out. This is just one of those pieces, these 4 tabs. You just kind of have to force and know that you might break it. But with patience, you can get it. If we can do it, you can do it.
Show them all the tabs.
Yeah, look at these tabs. Tab, 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 tab. See, I almost broke this one. Or just Hulk it and, yeah.
That seemed to work a lot better than
That actually,
freaking.
yeah, oh, ooh, ooh, skirt. Hopefully they fit back again. They're just air vents though. We can buy new ones. All right, on to the next thing. Let's look at the back of this. Let's disconnect the wiring harness for the air conditioning. Take that out. Let's take our screwdriver. Cool. Let's take the deck out next. Alright, so let's just start unclipping everything. We're still figuring out the wires, but we're just gonna turn it on and see if it works. Oh, settings, Bluetooth.
Please now, turn it over for the second side. The second